Hey, health enthusiasts! Today I'm bringing you the scoop on a superfood you might not have heard of. Lion's mane mushroom. This funky-looking fungus is more than just a culinary curiosity. It's a powerhouse packed with incredible health benefits. So let's dive in. First off, what exactly is lion's mane mushroom? This shaggy mushroom, resembling a lion's mane, hence the name, has been used for centuries in traditional Chinese medicine, and it's gaining traction in the health world for good reason. Now let's talk nutrition. Lion's mane is full of bioactive substances like polysaccharides, hericinones, and erinacines. These compounds are known to support brain health, boost cognitive function, and even improve mental clarity. Imagine a mushroom that helps you think sharper and feel more focused. Sounds amazing, right? But that's not all. Lion's mane is also anti-inflammatory and packed with antioxidants. This means it can help your body combat oxidative stress and reduce inflammation, making it an excellent ally in fighting chronic illnesses. Plus, it's rich in beta-glucans, which support your immune system. Who doesn't want a stronger immune system? What about the brain-boosting benefits, you ask? Studies show that lion's mane can stimulate the production of nerve growth factor, NGF. NGF is crucial for the growth, maintenance, and survival of nerve cells, which means better memory and less brain fog. It might even have potential in protecting against neurodegenerative diseases like Alzheimer's and Parkinson's. Talk about a brain booster, and here's a fun fact. Lion's mane is also great for your gut health. It promotes the growth of good bacteria in your gut, which is essential for digestion and overall well-being. Healthy gut, healthy life, am I right? So, how can you incorporate this superfood into your diet? You can find lion's mane in various forms, fresh, powdered, or as a supplement. Add it to your smoothies, soups, or even your morning coffee for a nutritious kick. Or take it as a supplement, easy and convenient. Before you start munching away, remember, always consult your healthcare provider before adding new supplements to your routine. Safety first, folks. Lion's mane mushroom is a fantastic addition to any health enthusiast's diet. With its brain-boosting, immune-supporting, and gut-friendly benefits, it's no wonder this superfood is making waves. Give it a try and let me know how it goes. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the bell icon for more health tips and superfood secrets.